What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create this look right here per one of your guys' requests. So yes, I'm weird, sorry. This is what I would term a smoky eye, not necessarily including the inner wing that I have going on here, but yeah, this is smoky eyes are perfect for people with hooded eyes. So, especially if you're using mattes, but so let's get started. All right, so we are going to want 3 different brushes for this look. You're going to want a nice fluffy blending brush. You can use a stiffer one if you want, but I'm just going to use the one by Real Techniques. You're going to want a stiffer, like a stiff, I suppose, dome shape or like eyeshadow packing brush, and then you are going to want a small, just a small flat shader brush that's not too fluffy or flimsy. And I am going to be using the Morphe, oh gosh, what is this? It is the 25B Bronzed Mocha palette, my first ever Morphe palette, and I love it so much. This is gonna be a real simple smoky eye. We are going to start with this color right here. It is called, it's called Access. I had to tape the names to the top because, yeah. And we are going to start by placing this in the crease and blending upwards. And we're just gonna start by very lightly just placing this. I remember when I first used this color, it came off darker on my skin tone than I expected it to. I was like, oh, look at that. Now if you have hooded eyes like me, or they're even more hooded, or less hooded I guess, then it helps to, when you're blending out the crease color, or even your transition color, to look straight ahead into the mirror. That way you can see how far up you need to bring the color. So it's as if, even though you're starting the color technically all the way right here, when you open your eyes, it looks like you should be starting it right here, if that makes sense. All right, so I also blended that color, that same shade, onto my lower lid, and now I'm going to go in to, oh gosh, this color right here. It is a shimmery-ish shade, and it is called Worky. Yep. It's like a deep, dark, muted plum kind of purple. And you want to make sure as you're going, like as you're packing this along, that you don't miss any spots or anything like that. I mean, you can of course go back, but you just want to make sure that you really get as much pigment and payoff as you can so that it doesn't look blotchy. I'm not going to take this all the way into the inner corner, just to like right, maybe a little more. Now because I have hooded eyes, I have to make sure that this color blends, it goes up far enough to where you can see it blending at least right here, so that it lifts this hood, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna bring it up a little more, also right here. Now I'm not gonna bring this all the way down onto my lower lid. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit, like right there. I'm going to go in with that flat shader brush. Use this color right here. It's a shimmery, kind of like champagne, like a rose champagne type color. And it's in the shade Character. Yeah, look at that character. I'm just gonna obviously put this on my inner corner. to, like I said, tight line, put on lashes, and I will be back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I did decide that kind of last minute to add this inner corner, this inner wing right here. Yeah, so that's that. And can we just take a second to like admire how wonderful this shade by LimeCrime is. It is their Velvetine, I think. Yeah. Liquid lipstick in the shade Feelins. So, and it's amazing. It's probably my new favorite red lipstick. My new favorite red liquid lipstick. I will have a camera one day where you can see all the details better. I like this look. It's really simple, and the more you do it, the quicker you become at it. Just, it's all in the blending, which is why the blending brush is so important. But yeah, so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye.